More cheer, less waste this holiday season. I love holiday gifts and entertaining, but let's face it, it can all add up to, well, a lot of waste. In fact, one study found that we toss out more garbage during the holidays than at any other time of year. Fortunately, there are steps we can take to make more cheer and less waste this holiday season. I'm Lisa Selvage with eXp Realty Brokerage in Muskoka, Perry South, and today we're sharing 5 ways to celebrate this holiday season by cutting back on waste. My favorite is to donate or recycle what I can. I collect wrapping paper, ribbons, unwanted packaging, and other discarded items. The goal is to reuse things like gift bags, and what I can compost or recycle what's left over. I can make a real environmental difference by reducing what we send to landfills. If we upgrade any electronic gadgets over the holidays, we can sell, donate, or properly recycle our old items. For more great ways to reduce your environmental impact, visit our blog. We posted in the link below. Together we can protect our planet and help keep Muskoka Perry Sound a clean and beautiful place to live. And from all of us at eXp Brokerage and All Points North Group, we want to wish you a happy holiday season and a joyous new year.